Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Monarch Money easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Monarch Money. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, look for the login button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to a new page asking for your email address. Enter the email address associated with your Monarch Money account. After entering your email, locate the password field below. Type in your password carefully. Double-check for any spelling errors. Once you have confirmed your email and password are correct, look for the login option or button. Click on the login button to access your account. If your information is correct, you will be signed in to your Monarch Money account. If you forget your password, look for the Forgot Password link on the login page. Click this link to receive instructions on how to reset your password. Follow the prompts to complete the password reset process. Once you successfully log in, explore your dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features. Enjoy managing your finances with Monarch Money. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.